How to get free rewards from Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free rewards on Temu. For that, you want to open the Temu app on your device. You can download this application from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened the application, make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to get free rewards, tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. Here, tap on Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. You will have different options over here. Go ahead and tap on the All Gifts Waiting option. Now tap on Pick Gifts option. Here you will be able to pick free items over here. So go ahead and select the items that you want to get for free. In this, you get to pick at least 3 free gifts. So one by one, you want to pick all of the items that you want for free. Now, the way you can get these items for free is to invite friends to get energy. Tap on the invite friends option. Now you can invite your friends using all of these applications. You can also copy the code from here, or you can copy the link given over here. Once you do that, you will get the energies and you can use those energies to pack gift in the hat trick gift. Once you pack all 3 gifts, you can claim these 3 free gifts together. And in this way, you can get those free rewards from Temu. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.